Welcome bosses back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, and make sure you subscribe and like this video while you're at it. So today's video is going to be another Boxycharm. I do this every month. This is what the box looks like. I already opened the box, and most of the stuff in this box I use to create this face, which if this video goes up before that one, I'll link it down below. But make sure you follow me so you're notified every time I upload a video. This is gonna be like a real quick video. So the Boxycharm theme this month is sunshine, and it comes with this cute little pamphlet, and on the back it reads everything that's in the box. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing is this right here, and this is the, I'm gonna say 111 Skin, and this is a pollution defense booster. So it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Wow, that is a lot. This is, I don't even know how many fluid ounces. This is not even a fluid ounce. This is 0.68 fluid ounces. So what it claims to do, hopefully it does. I don't know how you can test if it actually works. And this bad boy retails for $135 now. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not trying to spend $135 on something that's not even 1 ounce. And I don't know. I gotta see. I mean, the consistency is like not too thick, not too thin. It feels good on the skin. I don't know if it's really doing anything. If it is, it is. But it's nice to have. The next thing is from Ciate London, which I got the coconut setting spray and a couple Boxycharms ago. So this is the Everyday Vacay coconut spray, and I love this. It's super cute, the white and gold packaging, and it smells like coconut, and the mist is very fine. So this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay coconut setting spray. So it's in that same line as the setting powder that I got a while ago, and I'll list my Boxycharm playlist. So it says, set and you refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay setting spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultrafine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you right back to the beach. And that's a fact. It feels good. It makes the skin look more radiant. Like, as you can see, my face probably looks a little bit more radiant than when I just used it before. So if you have oily skin, I don't know how you like it, but I like to use it like when I'm putting a lot of powders and stuff and I'm starting to look cakey. I just take this and spray it on in the middle of my foundation routine, which I did today, to get away that powdery cakey look. And this retails for $22, so I love this. So in this box I got an eyeshadow palette. You know, I love like having eyeshadow palettes because it's really something you could really use. So it's this, and it's super cute, isn't it? It's holographic. It says Festival. This is from Pure Cosmetics, and this is the Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. So it says, get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with strike light reflective formulas, this cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades, and this retails for $36. So it comes with a mirror, and these are the colors, and I actually use this palette to create this look, and I can say like this palette is really good. I use most of the mattes and one of the shimmers in my inner corner because, you know, I'm a neutral type of girl, but the colors blended really nicely on my skin. It was everything, because sometimes an eyeshadow palette can be a hit or miss, but this one was actually pretty good, and it has a variety of shimmery colors that you could use on the lid or as an inner corner highlight like I did. Like the one in the inner corner I used was this one, which is called Pure Bliss, and I use Instaworthy, Photo Op, and On Set. And to my lid is the color Dreamland, and the Dreamland was very pigmented. Like, you didn't really have to build it up that much. So I'm loving the eyeshadow palette. The next thing in here I love, I actually used in my last video. So you need to check out my last video so you can see how these things did on my face. So this is the next thing, and this is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Plus Energizing Eye Mask, and it comes with 12 pairs. So it says, suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you look more awake and youthful. So this retails for $21, and I actually have them here. I didn't throw them away. I'm so bad. But this is what they look like. They're all slimy now, but it's very thick. Like, she thick. And it's in this nice gold packaging. And isn't this cute? I love it. I love packaging. So this is what it looks like. So it's anti-wrinkle and energizing, and it's thick and wet, like that WAP from Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. But the eye masks feel good. They feel hydrated. Once you take it off, you can like pat it in and your eyes feel hydrated. And I feel like it does give that like rejuvenation, like under the eyes. It kind of feels like it's working. Like, you feel it. Like, it's not tingling like in a bad way. It's just tingling, like you feel it like working on your eyes. So I absolutely love those. And the last thing in this box is this, which is the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. With this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water, reusable and washable. And this is $17. So I have something like this, which is right here. I've had this for a couple years. I don't use it that often. I usually do this like when I'm doing clients or stuff, but I haven't been doing too many. But I got this one from BH, and this one is more affordable if they still have it. But this is another brand. It's just a tin container that contains this like Brillo pad type of thing. And what you would do is, if you have a brush that's dirty in between, like on yourself, or if you have like one client, you would take the used makeup brush and swirl it in here, and it takes off the eyeshadow, and the pigment will be left here. It's like, as you can see, I used it in my last video. You can see the pigment there. So you just wash this and you can reuse it. I don't know how long you can reuse it, because I have this one from BH that I've been using for a little minute, and every now and then when I want to use it, I'll use it. But I don't know. If you do a lot of makeup on a daily basis, it might be something to consider, but it's cool, and it retails for $17. So this is July's box. I know it's like August, but your girl's been busy. But I love what's in the box. I love everything in the box. The box was pretty good. So Boxycharm is like, I think it went up to like $27 a month. I know it went up a little bit for the same amount of product. I don't know about that. I'm still debating whether I'm going to keep my Boxycharm or not. But I like it, getting makeup to try every month and stuff like that for a discounted price. But some of these products, I be feeling like the retail value is like way high. But that's my July box. Like I said, if you want to see me using all the products, I think all the products, not this one, the Defense Booster, but I used it before. Or maybe I used it. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But I'll list it down below if this video goes up first, which I think I'm going to upload this first and then upload the makeup look. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on Boxycharm. I'll leave links down below. They're not affiliate links because your girl is not up there yet. To subscribe to be part of the boss gang, and we can build like a beautiful team. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And oh, I know you're going to ask me what's on my lips. This is an OG. Like, when do makeup expire? Because I be using these things. But this is an OG. Like, when YouTube was popping and there was limited edition stuff, we would go out and get it. And this is, I think, a limited edition. Don't quote me. But this is the Maybelline. I don't even know what these are called. The Maybelline Vivids. Remember these? Comment down below if you remember the Maybelline Vivids. And this is the color 905 Brazenberry. It's kind of a dupe for Max Haute Air. And I just wanted a little, you know, springtime color on my lips. So bosses, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. And I'll see you in my next video.